Weight gain is a common concern for many women during and after menopause. In fact, a majority of women start to see weight changes happening in their 40s when perimenopause starts. There are many reasons behind this. The primary one is hormonal changes. As early as in your 40s, estrogen levels in the body start to decline. The reduction in estrogen can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. At the same time, as you age, your metabolism starts to slow down. This means your body burns fewer calories at rest. This decrease in metabolic rate can contribute to weight gain if your caloric intake is not adjusted accordingly. Also, with age and menopause, there is a loss of muscle mass and, unfortunately, an increase in fat mass. This reduction in muscle mass contributes to a decline in your metabolic rate as well. Lifestyle factors also play a role. As you age, you may not exercise as much, especially with incorporation of strength training. If your physical activity decreases and your caloric intake remains the same, weight gain occurs. In addition, you may experience mood changes and a lack of sleep which accompany menopause. This can also result in weight gain. Of course, genetics are also involved. You cannot control the genes that you are born with. Genetics plays a role in how your body stores and processes fat. If your family members have experienced weight gain during menopause, you might be more predisposed to it as well. So now that we have discussed some of the factors related to weight gain during menopause, how can you battle it? First and foremost, it's important to make some dietary changes. Your caloric intake may have to be decreased, as well as your total carbohydrate intake, and very importantly, your protein intake often needs to go up. It is important to create a balanced diet that minimizes highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol consumption. Second, regular exercising becomes ever so important. You will definitely need to add in strength training to help rebuild your muscle mass. In fact, if you have to choose between cardio and strength training during menopause, pick strength training. Third, get good sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, which can be difficult when you're going through menopause. Look at sleep as a necessity, not a luxury. If you're experiencing significant weight gain or finding it difficult to manage your weight, it's important to see your medical provider. Remember, every woman's body is different. It's important to find what treatment plan works for you. If you would like to explore your options for weight loss during menopause, you can easily reach out to my team and I at healthymeweightloss.com.